What are you ladies doing? What are you ladies doing? Welcome to Camp Shyamalan. This is our cabin. We're gonna be staying in this cabin. This is Camp Shyamalan. We're staying in this cabin. So oh god. Bloody hell! Jeez, I feel like Captain America.
One more. I was walking there, and Troy just went. He was like smashing it, and it went all down my back.
I didn't know he was there.
Well, hold on a second, Troy, please let me get it. If we don't get told off for this, I'm gonna.
You mouse!
Will! Smash it upon myself. Where's Sam?
I'm gonna be surprised if even I don't get told off for doing nothing. Oh, I actually broke one of those ones. Picked one up, dropped it.
Yeah.
Right, this is not vandalism at all. Wasn't this a fine how do you do? Why are we still running? Remember when it was cold? I remember that. Whew. Walk up to me, my friends, and this is what I get. Willie! I need you to take my sleeve off. Sleeve. Sleep. Cheers.
I was scared.
I wasn't.
Why?
I don't react to anything. I just follow the crowd.
You too. If we got a cat, we just come back in like a different kit. I know it's not drop.
Why did we do that?
What?
Why did we do that?
I
I got glass shards down my back.
Did you
Troy? A little bit. I don't know. Check my back.
We're good boys. We're good boys.
That guy was recording.
So was I.
Alright, if he reports us to the park and we get banned for it. Oh god, if we get banned for each for that.
So this is my friend Paul McCartney. He was in a band called the Beatles once.
I was in the band called the Beatles. I heard someone whistle.
Yeah, it was a fat man with like a blue, a dark blue kind of greyish blue top with dark grey jeans and a dog, a big dog.
Husky.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was black, but it was a dark dog. It was a dark coloured dog. It was pretty big. It was like this high. Haha, you got pranked. Haha, haha, haha. Pranked.
You get your ass here. I need to tell you something. Tickle his penis a bit. You take that. My turn. It's my turn.
Breaks his legs. That's a normal jump. You definitely have problems.
You're my bitch. My little bitch.
That's it.
You can call me a sugar daddy. You smell so nice. Look at those luscious locks. You smell so nice. Let me have a taste of those locks. Oh, you dirty, dirty bitch. How about we get some physical? You little bitch. And that was Sex Was A. You get up now. You sit back
Can you do a
down.
front flip from off this? Probably. Try it. I'll try it.
Then do it.
I'm gonna break my leg.
Well, I'll do it then.
What off that wall? What off that wall, yeah. Sorry. That tiny wall there.
No. Not without any mats.
Alright, we'll go in park so when it's grass. The
No.
red zone.
Maybe. Yep. Okay.
Oh, yes. Let's go. Hi, car. Little bitch.
Now to my girlfriend's house, where we are obviously going.
We're not going to that's prison, so.
You son of a bitch.
Did you just see the sister passes earlier?
Oh yeah. She walked past her and it's so her sister. She goes, I have a name. I was like, alright.
She was like, I was
She
like,
said her name and I went to Sam. What was that?
Samar on it or something like that.
I don't know. I said what was that?
Yes, I've been broken
This
hearted.
is cute though.
Blue since the day we started. My. Wait, what the? Oh.
My mate, fuck.
You little bitch. Yes, you know my name. But can I know yours? Oh, I like a bit of Jimmy.
This gives a whole new meaning to moped.
Troy, please. Please, give the kids a very valuable message, please, Troy. And that's your valuable message.
There is a guy.
Who's going here?
Ooh.
Ouch. Nobody saw that.
What is this bitch doing?
Okay.